So it is not train now. I have to take bus 171 as per the timetable. I was thinking it is train, but a lady told me that the ticket counter information. So there's a bus 171. So this is platform 5. I have to go up and take the bus in next 8 minutes. She said bus is faster than train. The bus I am taking to Bellinzona. You can see excellent bus express. Next almost 2 hours 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes here. Next 2 hours 10 minutes to Bellinzona. So my Swiss pass is valid in this. I am just sitting in this chair exactly to 2:10 p.m. You can see the different trains there and different buses. These are the different bus stops. Village bus station. Village bus stop, and she got down from here. There is also, so you can see, some small restaurant, beautiful houses, beautiful small village. Bus stopped here in San Bernardino for just 3 minutes. And I went to this little beautiful washroom. So you can see also display board there. So I am in 171 bus. This is going to Bellinzona. It will reach Bellinzona at 4:20 p.m. So from there I have to go to Lugano, and from Lugano to Milano Central. Beautiful bus, yellow bus. I left from this bus after 2 hours 10 minutes coming from Chur. So this is Bellinzona. This is Bellinzona bus station. See how beautiful it is. Excellent, very neat. This is train station, just opposite to bus station. How cool it is. But I will drink tea. It is 4:20 p.m. So I have a bus at 4:44. Sorry, train at 4:44. And then drink tea and go in this beautiful cafe or somewhere else like this, wherever tea is there. So this is Bellinzona station. I am still in Switzerland. So Lugano is also in Switzerland, and Lugano I have to take a train from here to Lugano, and Lugano I have to change another train. Still Lugano is also in Switzerland. So 3 francs 50 cents. I added my masala chai powder. Then it became like this. They just give hot water and the tea bag and sugar. That's it. That's it. Waste of money. This is Bellinzona train station. So my train is at 4:44. Now it is almost like 4:39, 4:40. So I have to go to platform 3. Just it was delayed as I wanted to drink tea. drink tea. Yeah, I can see the train, Lugano, beautiful train. You can see from here. It's in platform 3. So 2 to 6 I have to take escalator. This is only platform 1. So I have still 4 minutes time. You can see the timetable there. So 4:41, 4:44, Lugano, platform 3, IC2. IC is intercity. So beautiful Swiss layout, Swiss design of station. So that all stations are like these tunnels. So no need to cross or foot over bridge. So it is easy. But if you have luggage, so then it's a bit tough with the steps. So you can see either I can take this route or that route. This is without steps. Bellinzona, Italian speaking part of Switzerland. Is canton is Ticino. Only one official Italian speaking canton in Switzerland. It is Ticino. There are 26 cantons, out of which only one canton speaks, the entire canton speaks Italian. So you can see this is going to Lugano and Como SG. So I am at platform 3. Lugano train is coming. So is IC2. IC is intercity double decker. Excellent, my favorite train. Still I am in Switzerland. That is the reason I can see IC2 train. So it's second class. I am sitting in the upper deck as usual. But it's only 15 minutes journey. So I will reach Lugano at 4:58. It's almost like 5 p.m. So it is just 14 minutes. And got on this train. Now it is 4:59. I have a connection to Milano Centrale train at 5:02 from platform 1. This is platform 2. So it is just only one platform, but I have to go take the tunnel, go down and go up again to Milano. So it will start at Lugano 5:02 and Paradise all these stops Milano Centrale at 6:17 p.m. They already started exactly at 5:02. So I am sitting here. So train has started and now I am going to Milano Centrale. So 6:17 it will reach. Now the time is 5:07. Highway connecting Switzerland and Italy. So I am still in Switzerland. So this train will cross the border somewhere in the middle. I have also taken ticket for Italy till Milan.
Ci vediamo. عزيز الغابة بالبلاصة هذيك كانوا يعملوا في السيمي وانا نوصل نقول كي تلبس بينا يا فاب حيز كذا يا مامي عزيزة خلي الغليف ولا قول مش تفسد انا وكليك قلبي عزيز الغابة servir quelqu'un au Yam, le fait laisser mieux. Ouais, non, je ne veux pas que tu laisses là. يا حب حبيبي ليه مامي عزيزة خلي الغليف ولا بقول مش تفسد
Prossima fermata, Chiasso. Questo treno prosegue come Regio Express 80 Tino per Como San Giovanni, Seregno, Milano Centrale. L'attraversamento del confine è consentito unicamente con documenti di viaggio validi e in assenza di merce.
And without any merchandise or currency that requires declaration.
I think this is border city. So after that is Italy. This is Switzerland still. Chiasso. That's why they are asking for valid travel documents and need to declare currency if we are holding more. This is a border city, Chiasso.
Μου λέει εντάξει το σέβομαι, μετά σου λέω είναι εντάξει ο Χριστός. Μου λέει το σέβομαι, γιατί και αυτός υπάρχει. Το σέβομαι μου λέει Ανδρέα, στον Έλληνο λέει. Τέλος πάντων, αυτό.
We are in Milan. Already entered like 5 minutes back. You can see the beautiful flats now. This is Milano Central Station. Milan Central Station. It's called Milano Centrale in Italian. So I came to this station several times in the 2018 September month. Almost like every weekend I used to come from Turin and I used to go to either Switzerland or France or coming from Austria. So I've used this station. It's a beautiful station several times, maybe like 10 times, 15 times. I got down from this train after traveling from Lugano. This train has started at 5:02 p.m. Now it is 6:20 p.m. So almost like 1 hour 15 minutes. The journey via Lake Como, not Lake Como, Como and Chiasso and other stops. It was excellent journey and I have crossed the border at Chiasso, but no border checks have been conducted because I am already in Shani. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.